If you've got the itch to camp but need something bigger without breaking the bank, the Jayco Jay Flight is ready to roll. With a variety of floor plans, this travel trailer lineup offers space for couples, families, and even those who want to bring their toys along thanks to the Jay Flight toy haulers. But what exactly does the Jay Flight bring to the campground? Let's find out as we explore the inside, the outside, and basically everything in between, including how this rig is built and what you'll need to tow it. We'll start in the kitchen, where the 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator keeps everything chilled, from your drinks to your freshest ingredients. Cooking is an absolute breeze with a 3-burner recessed cooktop and oven ready for everything from quick breakfasts to full-on campfire feasts. A glass cover over the cooktop doubles as prep space. Just make sure to move your cutting board before turning on the burners, all right? You need something in a hurry? The microwave has you covered, while the range hood ensures lingering cooking smells don't take over your entire space. For food prep and cleanup, the seamless residential style countertop offers plenty of space, and the double bowl sink with a high-rise faucet and sprayer makes washing dishes and vegetables quick and easy. Storage is abundant with solid hardwood cabinet doors, residential style hidden hinges, and full extension solid hardwood drawers on heavy-duty 75-pound drawer guides. No more wrestling with stuck drawers just to grab a frying pan. And after a solid meal, the living area is the perfect place to kick back. Most models feature a convertible dinette, so if someone overstays their welcome, they'll at least have a place to crash. And depending on the floor plan, you'll either get a J-Steel jackknife sofa with armrests and cup holders or theater seats, and honestly, some of the larger models even offer both. If the jackknife sofa doesn't cut it for you, a hide-to-bed sofa with a trifold mattress is also available on select layouts. One thing you'll probably notice immediately is the 81-inch ceiling height. There's no cramped spaces here. This setup is comfortable for the vast majority of people. And underfoot, vinyl flooring throughout makes sweeping up pet hair and dirt way easier than dealing with carpet. Privacy is built in with dark tinted windows, which don't just keep out the curious eyes of nosy neighbors, right? They also help reflect sunlight, keeping the trailer cooler. And speaking of staying cool, the Jay Flight's 13,500 BTU AC ensures the temperature stays comfortable with an option to upgrade to a 15,000 BTU unit. Some models even offer a second AC in the bedroom for those who just refuse to sleep in the heat, and I don't blame you. Entertainment-wise, you're set. The AM/FM Bluetooth stereo system with built-in speakers brings the tunes, and USB charging ports throughout the trailer ensure your devices stay powered up. Some models come with a pre-installed LED smart TV, while others give you the option to add one. If you're the DIY type, there's a TV mounting bracket ready to go. Since we spend about a third of our lives asleep, let's talk about bedroom comfort because it's important. The main queen bed features struts for easy underbed storage, keeping extra gear tucked away but easily accessible. Larger models offer a king bed option so you can stretch out even more. To make things even more convenient, every Jay Flight comes with a fitted bed sheet, so there's no last-minute shopping trips necessary before your first trip out. Need to keep devices close while you doze off? USB ports and standard outlets are right next to the bed, making it easy to charge your phone or plug in a CPAP machine if you need one like I do. If you opt for a bunkhouse model, the bunks are built to handle serious weight, with single bunks rated at 300 pounds and double bunks holding up to 600 pounds. Nobody's waking up on the floor here due to flimsy construction. All right, moving on to the bathroom. You'll get a mirrored medicine cabinet, and it's more than just a place to check your reflection. It provides actual storage space for all your essentials. The shower features a skylight giving you extra headroom, and built-in shelving keeps your toiletries in reach. Hot water? No problem. The on-demand tankless water heater ensures you won't get an icy surprise mid-shower. A power vent fan helps prevent the space from turning into a sauna, and if you're planning some off-grid adventures, the Jay Flight's 52-gallon freshwater tank helps keep you stocked up longer than most other trailers in its class. Now let's step outside, where the solid step entry steps make getting in and out effortless. These fold directly out of the main entry door and provide extra stability, so no wobbly balancing acts getting in and out. The entrance door itself comes with a window and shade prep, keeping things private when needed. Up front, the pass-through storage is finished and well lit, making it easy to find your gear even at night. The one-piece fiberglass front exterior wall not only looks sharp, but adds durability. Hitching up is a breeze with the power tongue jack, while the rock-solid stabilizer system keeps everything steady once you're parked. Above, the power awning with LED lights creates a perfect shaded area for hanging out, and if you're the kind of person who likes bringing the party outdoors, you'll appreciate the marine-grade exterior speakers and the TV mount with bracket for setting up an outdoor screen. Water management is top tier here too. Large downspouts help direct rainwater away from the trailer, keeping streaks and water damage to an absolute minimum. The Goodyear Endurance tires on every Jay Flight ensure a smooth ride, while the spare tire with carrier and cover has your back in case of emergencies. If things get messy, the outside shower is ready to rinse off muddy dogs, dirty kids, or whatever else needs cleaning before coming inside. Cooking outdoors is just as easy thanks to the LP Quick Connect, which makes setting up a grill effortless. If you want an all-in-one cooking solution, opt for the burner-mounted outdoor griddle. On the tech side, backup and side view camera prep makes maneuvering a heck of a lot easier, while the Overland One solar package, which comes standard, includes a 200-watt solar panel and 30-amp digital controller, keeping your battery charged when you're off-grid. Now, for those who like a little extra capability, the Baja package adds aluminum rims, off-road tires, and a lift package, making it easier to take your Jay Flight into rougher terrain. Now, let's get into construction. Built to last, the fully integrated A-frame and structural steel I-beams provide a rock-solid foundation. Up top, the Magnum Truss roof system with a PVC roofing membrane is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you don't have to worry about leaks. Underneath, the enclosed and heated underbelly keeps cold air and critters out, while 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking ensures a sturdy interior. Add in electric self-adjusting brakes, easy lube hubs, and front diamond plate rock protection, and you've got a trailer that's designed to handle season after season of your adventures. Before you rush out to buy one, let's talk towing. The Jay Flight lineup isn't ultra heavy, but it's not exactly featherweight either. Most models range from about 27 to 40 feet, with dry weight starting at 5,000 pounds and topping out at about 8,900 pounds. More than half the lineup falls under 6,500 pounds, meaning a mid-sized truck like a Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or GMC Canyon can probably handle it. But if you're pushing closer to 8,000 pounds, you'll need a full-size truck like a Chevy Silverado 1500, Ford F-150, including the Lightning EV, or a properly equipped Nissan Titan. Always remember that not every vehicle is built the same, folks, and options on your tow vehicle can greatly vary towing and payload capacities. Not sure if your vehicle is up for the job? Well, simply check your owner's manual, or even better, stop by a Camping World where they can figure it out for you. And while you're there, you might as well check out the Jayco Jay Flight in person. Happy shopping, and even happier camping.